These are great for hitting the core. You're not only hitting the rectus abdominis, which is the main part right in the center that everybody thinks of that has the blocks, but also the oblique muscles and the transverse abdominis, which is essentially the muscle around your core that goes like that. So anytime you exhale, you're flexing that muscle. So we're hitting everything. So coming down to the ground, lying down, putting the hands on the temple. Don't put it behind the head. People have the tendency to crank on the neck. So either just fingertips or hands on the side of the head. You're gonna have one leg straight, and you're gonna bring one leg up. You're gonna touch the opposite elbow to that knee, and then you're gonna switch. Make sure you get that leg all the way out. Don't shortcut yourself. Get that full range of motion. Exhaling as you bring it all together. This is great for both cardiovascular, because you're doing it fast, but again, hitting that core. Bikes or bicycles.
Thanks for watching, guys. Again, my name is David Miller, the Wall Street Trainer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and like below. Feel free to leave a comment. If you have any questions, you can leave that below as well, or you can also reach me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Have a great day. Don't be afraid to fail. Take action, be disciplined, and live a life with no regrets.